stopping by. Don't forget to like this video. Ooh, it is cold out here. On the thermostat for the truck, it says outside is 20 degrees. And there's a lot of black ice out here. I don't know if you can see it right over here, how shiny it looks. It's black ice. Lots of black ice. Quick question. Quick question. You want to go the regular way up the mountain? Or you want to go the long, long way? That's I-20 into Birmingham.
That's Tennessee.
Into Birmingham. Are you listening? And 65 north. No, that's too long. That's definitely too long.
How long is that?
That's gonna be like an 8-hour ride. Guys, don't forget to like the video. Please double tap your phone, or in the right hand corner on top, those 3 dots. Hit those dots and like the video, please. Yeah, going to Lewisburg, Tennessee, so we gotta go up 24 and climb that mountain. Tennessee, I don't know, Tennessee. They keep their roads clean? I'm not sure. I don't remember. That mountain should be, they should have that clear though. Oh boy. When I say it is cold out there, it is cold out there. I really didn't know Georgia could get this cold. Keep saying it over and over. I was gonna take the back roads to get, to the major highway, but I don't know how clear those back roads are, so I'm just gonna take the regular highway. To me, it's the longer way. But I'm gonna play it safe and take the regular highway. It's a 5-hour ride. Don't forget to double tap the screen, guys. Don't forget to like the video. this is what is gonna happen. I'm gonna take 985 to 85 to 285 to 75 north. 75 north to 24 west. That's all? Yeah. Oh, Lord. Okay, now the truck is getting a little, it's warming up now. Ooh, yeah, that feels good. This is a good time to leave out. Less traffic on the road. A lot of places was closed today because of the ice and the cold. North side of the north of 95, New Jersey, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Connecticut, Massachusetts, they had a ban on big trucks. Over here, woo, it's all black ice right here. Whenever you see it shiny, black ice. That's the most dangerous thing out here. When it's either snow or sleet, that black ice, it'll get you. Whenever you're on that black ice, don't ever step on your brakes. You guys, welcome in. Thanks for coming in. Thanks for riding shotgun with me. Appreciate it. I really and truly appreciate it. These are the times you gotta watch your speed. And from what I'm hearing, I gotta check the weather report. I heard there's supposed to be another snowfall next weekend. Gotta check my weather report. I usually have check the Weather Channel. You know, it's a little bit more accurate than the others. see it. I see it. Black ice. Nice and easy, buddy. I need to put some salt down over there. So far, so good. Just this heat here. Get some on my feet. It is cold. Roads, they look pretty good. I'm officially on 985. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. I'm not driving that fast, taking my time. It's pretty windy out here. I can feel it. The only bad thing is when it's windy and I'm feeling it. That means my load is light, very light. I only have 10,000 pounds. Yeah, I can see patches of black ice out here. Just little patches. Car in the ditch over there. That's probably from yesterday. Sorry, yesterday. When they were warning everybody to stay off the roadway. I hope that person's cold weather alert. Black ice. Okay, yeah, I know. At least they warning people. Some people drive in your car and they don't even really know what black ice is. Right here. Gotta look out for these things. Don't ever try to swerve from a black ice. Don't ever try to step on brakes. Just let it go. No gas, nothing. long ride, but good little ride ahead of us. About 300 miles away. No, yeah. Yeah, about 300 miles away. About 275 miles away. I'm sorry. Really appreciate you guys coming, and I can't really see the chat because I'm concentrating on the road. Guys, greet each other for me, please. Thank you. It's pretty windy out there. I can feel it hitting the trailer. Got home on Friday, and it was so cold. On Saturday, I had to come and start the truck, warm it up for about an hour. I did the same thing Sunday and also earlier today, because it's cold weather. It'll kill the battery. Or the batteries. Thanks for coming. Appreciate you coming by. Woo-wee. Felt that wind just now. That crosswind just hit me. they did a pretty good job on the roads up here. Did a damn good job on the roads. This driver saw me coming and he started speeding up. I understand why drivers does that. Looks like 1800, is it? Falcon. Thank you, driver. This truck needs service soon. Tennessee. That's where I'm headed. Lewisburg, Tennessee. Right now I'm in Beaufort, Georgia. Come to Atlanta and you go to Mall of Georgia, it's right up here. Oh boy, this wind is wrong. Today there should be a lot of trucks on the road because, well, tonight I should say, because Monday during the day a lot of places will close, so they have to deliver tomorrow. Should have a lot of trucks on the roadway. Surprised there's not a lot of cars out here. Not a lot of cars at all. hot in here. For some reason, it's still saying it's 20 degrees outside. I'm still on 985. I'm coming towards the end of it, where 85 and 985 meet up. What's this? UPS. Most of UPS trucks, they don't use diesel, they use natural gas. I turned that heat down for a minute. Got cold again. Turn it back up. All right. In a half a mile, I'll be on 85. I don't know if you can see those vehicles ahead. That's on I-85. This is where 985 ends. And this is officially I-85. We are in Suwanee, Georgia. trucks here. Watch for the work zone coming up. We got 2 trucks here. Not doing what they're supposed to be doing. Like they're sightseeing. Trucking company. I heard it's a pretty good trucking company. They pull parts for BMW. They pull automobile parts. I heard they're pretty good. And day cabs. Lots of them. I don't understand these people. They drive so slow, and when you're ready to pass them, they start speeding up. Let me get up this lane, see if this guy's gonna let me over. It's not nice. Now you see how that car just cut in front of me? Like that we have to watch out for. Some of them will cut in front of you and step on brakes. And the wind is very strong. I have 8 miles towards 285. We are in Duluth, Georgia. the left side of my trailer is nothing but ice on it. Why'd you pull in front of me, driver? Not even going my speed. Come on. Yes, you have no lights in the back. Yes. This is getting ridiculous. The closer I get to Atlanta, the more the temperature's going up. Right now it's 22 degrees. But I'm gonna take it 285 and I'm gonna hit 75 north, and the temperature's gonna go way down. When I get off the live, I gotta check the temperature up here in Lewisburg. Out on my side. I need to get over.